So this is how you can bulk delete emails in Yahoo Mail on the iPad. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So if we get inside the Yahoo Mail, it doesn't matter which account you are assigned in, you might be even using multiple of them, whatever, but in order to bulk delete emails, you actually have to select more of them. And you can see that in the left, we have like this selection of them, and you literally have like this empty ring above your emails, and you can click it and it's going to literally select all of the emails below. You also have the button to select all if you have multiple emails, so even if below where some of the which were not selected, then all of them will be selected as such. And now that you have them selected, you can decide what you want to do with it. So we can obviously click on delete or move them, archive them, mark as read, and so on. So yeah, that's how it works. Of course, you can also hold it down on them and select them manually like this. So as you can tell, more ways to select them, but that's like the whole point. You just click on delete and they are going to be gone. So you don't have to delete them one by one, but you can do it in bulk. So if you like this type of quick tutorials where I quickly show you how it works, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next videos as such.